Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and put likes, because your support is important for us. And here we go.
Hensoldt Group, a leading provider of defense and security technology, has unveiled its latest innovation in radar technology with the introduction of the Quadome 3D surface and air surveillance radar. This cutting-edge system combines advanced situational awareness with rapid response capabilities, all at a competitive price point, making it a game-changer in its category. Originally launched in 2021 for naval applications and expanded to land use in 2022, the Quadome radar offers rapid and accurate capabilities to naval, military, and security forces alike. Its versatility lies in its ability to excel in multi-mission surveillance and target acquisition, operating in dual mode with an active electronically scanned array, AESA. This technology enables quick and precise detection and tracking of targets of various speeds and sizes, significantly reducing operator workload and increasing overall efficiency. One of Quadome's key features is its adaptability to evolving threats through software-defined radar, which incorporates predictive maintenance to align repairs with port visits, thus extending its lifespan. With two main operational modes, general surveillance and air defense for threat engagement, Quadome optimizes performance while effectively managing costs throughout its lifecycle. Designed specifically for tactical naval and ground-based air defense applications, Quadome is ideally suited for small maritime vessels such as offshore patrol vessels, OPVs, corvettes, and light frigates. Its compact form factor and superior cost-performance ratio make it an attractive option for various defense needs. Operating in the C-band, Quadome meets the stringent requirements of modern air defense systems, offering high accuracy in tracking fast-moving targets at various altitudes. Its standalone air defense sensor capability provides an optimal balance between performance and mobility. Moreover, Quadome's user-friendly design reduces training needs and operational effort, allowing for a hands-off approach to operation. Its modern support structure and flexibility in integrating new features ensure longevity and adaptability to future threats, ultimately benefiting owners with lower overall costs and minimal operational burden. The introduction of Quadome enhances Hensoldt's extensive radar lineup, further solidifying the company's position as a leader in radar technology. With over 100 units sold in 25 years, Hensoldt boasts a rich history of success in the field, with a strong presence in key markets such as Germany, the UK, and South Africa. Notably, Hensoldt South Africa has played a crucial role in the development of Quadome since 2019, leveraging local intellectual property to overcome third-party export restrictions. This facility represents the largest Hensoldt base outside Europe, underscoring the company's commitment to innovation and leadership in the African defense and security market.
That's all for now. See you later.